Every now and then there comes some gear that I come across that I'm super proud of and super excited to have, and this is definitely one of those. Being deep in a forest is unreal, but staying connected for me is important. I've been testing this CT Mods power bank for my Starlink Mini for a while now, and I'll be honest, I am impressed. Taking my Starlink Mini out on my adventures isn't anything new, but I usually use a giant power bank, and it's kind of heavy. The CT Mods power bank is extremely lightweight. It's about the weight of a 1 liter water bottle. It's compact, sets up in seconds, and under high load, streaming video for about 5 hours before it finally went out, which is way more than I need on my impromptu adventures. I've been lucky enough to team up with CT Mods. They gave me a 17% off coupon code for you. That code is NPN, short for no paths needed. There's also a link in the description if you want to use that instead. Either one. This will be one of my favorite pieces of gear I have for a while.